Okay, so Sam, let's start brawlhalla. If I can find it, just so you know it's recording right now.
I'll play first one.
If you want to.
Okay.
Do you want to? No,
Yeah.
you're not.
You're
You're not. Okay, I don't care about charging those Bluetooth headphones right now. Okay, Sam, let's just plug in this controller.
You gonna screen record or just do?
Sam, it's already recording.
Screen record.
Yeah.
I meant
Screen record.
not screen record and webcam.
No, Sam, I don't have a webcam.
Well, not yeah.
Okay.
Some monitors have webcam.
No, mine doesn't. Sam, just no webcam up there. Okay. Sam, let's play characters that we haven't. No, let's play characters we have played. Okay,
How about we each get pick our own character?
Yeah, I'm playing Orion.
So.
Purple Orion. Wait. Oh, wait, hold on. Speed? No, I want damage. Okay, so we're doing a tournament, and Sam, how are we gonna judge this? Just points? Let's just do points, Sam. I'll try, Sam. Ow. Ow. Huh? I'm best with a spear. I know, it's Sam. I'm just spamming buttons. You know, I have a controller. I always have bad times with cores, Sam. The core might be my. No, the core's horrible.
Horrible? He's cooking you up.
You say he's cooking. Yeah, you say he's cooking me up when I can heavy attack him.
You should broke your ankle.
Just threw that mine off the edge. Thank you.
Yeah, we're just.
Ooh, what the heck is that?
We're judging it 5 points at them all together.
Yep.
And if you have negative, it can just be a 0.
That's fair. That's fair, Sam.
If you have negative in one match, then it can just be a 0.
Ooh, whoa, jeez. Can I be the first one to get first blood on someone else? Come on. Oh, jeez. I am a bouncy boy. Oh, jeez. I'm so bouncy. It's a bouncy baby. Oh, no. Core got the first kill. Of course the core did.
Core cow, he said.
Oh, yeah, I got a kill.
Ow!
She was.
Walked down the edge.
No, she was AFK.
Kill her. No, those kills don't count.
Yeah, they do.
AFK kills.
Sam accounts. They're in the lobby.
AFK kills do not count.
The core is.
Yeah, the AFK kills do not count.
Yeah, they do. Sam, they count. No, they completely count.
That is not.
No, they completely count.
That's just like a free kill. So if we're playing that, then we might as well just add 2 kills and not.
Fair. Well, no, okay. So I'm fine.
As many kills as how many you got off of AFK.
Sam, it's just points. So if I die, then I lose points. So it's just based on points. Okay. So if I die, then I lose.
If you keep those points.
If I stay at 3 points this whole game.
You got 2 of them off of AFK points.
She's not AFK anymore.
Not anymore, but she was.
She was not AFK. She was actually moving around. That one counts.
That one can count.
She was actually moving.
Before 2 of your points count, I'm at 3 of your points count. How?
Sam.
Okay. She is AFK.
Okay, then I won't kill her. Jeez, spammer.
No, you cannot talk about that. You are always spamming.
Oh, jeez. Ooh. Oh, come on. How did that not kill her? Because
They're so
that
bad.
core killed her.
They're so fast. Remember, 3 points off of that do not count.
Sam's just based on points, so if I die again, I'll probably lose 3. So then,
Die one more time.
no. Try not to. Because then I'll lose my streak, which is a really good streak. There we go. Look at that freeze frame.
I'll admit, I started playing this game 2 days ago.
Sam has.
So if I'm bad, then
I got 10. I got 6 KOs. But I got 10 points in all. So, yeah. I'll take 2 points off of that. That's 8. Ooh.
3 points, because 3 of them were AFK.
No, there's only 2.
She was standing. I swear. After
2 points. I'll add 2 points to yours. 3
Three.
points to yours then. As long as I can stay at 10, because it's an even number. And it's easier to add.
That's fair.
I don't feel like doing addition. Screen recorder better have worked.
I think it's still there.
Well,
Duh. How do you know that it works? How do you know that the mic is working?
because I actually saw the sound it said.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This could be good. Okay. So,
I'm not using that
You
skin.
can use Scarlet if you want. Yeah. Check her stances. Check what stances she has.
What?
Stances are the bottom ones.
Level 5, level 3, level 1.
Yeah, Sam, what do you expect? I just got Orion yesterday. But, he's already level 5. So.
I'm using Orion.
Okay.
He's decent. Not even gonna lie.
He's good, Sam. Don't just say he's decent. He's good.
See, I'm playing against so much better people. It's just.
These guys are good. Just that you're really bad. Yeah, they're falling off the edge. What do you expect? Plus.
Wait, the game already started?
No.
I was about to say.
Ooh, they have Artemis? Okay.
Exactly.
Artemis is super fast.
Optimus is super good.
It's not the Halloween skin Artemis, though. It's just 3,000 coin.
Ooh, baby.
Come on, level up. Get a weapon, any weapon. There you go, you got your rocket pants. They're good now.
Yeah, they're so bad, though. Very bad. Remember that.
You better get 10 points.
I need.
10 points.
I already have 3 points, though.
You already have 0
3,
points.
remember? You have to have 3, and you
Oh,
did.
yeah, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true. I'm tempted to get Artemis. First of all, Artemis has a rocket launch. And
Remember.
Artemis is just pretty fast. I don't know what other weapon Artemis has. Ooh! There you go. You have 5 points, technically.
Make that 6. Make that 10. Let's go.
No.
I meant make that 7.
Sam, you don't know how to do math. Remember, if you die, you lose some of those points. So don't die. Just you might want to Ooh, baby. I'm dead.
You did it.
I only lost 3, so I have 6 right now.
I think they're catching up. No, they're only at 1 point.
So
I suppose that Artemis isn't doing better.
whole God Artemis.
Sam,
He's
Artemis
not.
is in last place.
He's not trash though. He's really good actually.
Sam, he's worse than you. That's saying something. You're pretty bad.
I'm not trash though. I'm not like terrible. I also started this game 2 days ago. It wasn't even 2 days ago. It's yesterday.
Yeah, that's okay. Ooh.
What is he trying to do?
Sam, he's trying to knock you off the map. Oh, get him. Ooh.
I have my
Oh, he
rock.
lost his weapon. Sam, get
So
your
did
spear.
I. Don't even. I can't even look this
Get
way.
your spear. There you go.
This game is so bad. Ooh,
Sam, the
he's
Artemis.
sprung.
Sam, the Artemis disconnected, so now it's a bot.
And he's still good.
We have 4 points, so we technically have 7 points.
No.
Ooh. You have 9 points, technically. And 20 seconds left.
Ooh, it's not good.
You have 5 points.
I have 8.
Which means 8. And then you just jumped off
Wait,
the map.
I dislayed. That is so
that
dumb.
wasn't lag, Sam. I saw that.
Ooh, how? We're playing against.
Sam, you have 5 points.
That's so dumb.
You're at least in second.
That is so. No, I was in 3rd.
Sam, it's my turn.